Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Bera Chain in Trust Wallet. Alright, so your first step would be to open up the Trust Wallet mobile application and then head over to the Discover page at the bottom right corner of your screen. So once here, where we have search or enter the app URL, all you need to do is simply paste the following link, which is for chainlist.org, and simply search. Alright, so once the search is completed, all you need to do now is click on the connect option. But first off, where we have search networks, simply search for Bera. Once you've found the Bera Chain network, click on connect wallet, click on connect, and then proceed to add the network that you're importing the network to your Trust Wallet. And once the import is done, boom, the network has been added successfully. So guys, that's how it works. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.